Here are some real payment proofs right here. People from all over the world are earning hundreds of dollars and cashing them out every day using today's method. Just consider earning hundreds of dollars simply by using Facebook. You don't need any prior experience or professional skills to participate in this method today. And it's completely free, which means you won't have to pay anything for this strategy. You only need a mobile phone, a laptop, or a computer. You'll also need a Wi-Fi connection to get started. It is also accessible to anyone from anywhere in the world. And that's the best thing about it. We'll be dropping some bonus tips and tricks throughout the video to help you make the most of our method today. And more importantly, if you don't want to miss out on that, make sure you stick around. We will walk you through step-by-step process for today's method so that you don't get lost or confused, because we want you to be as successful as we are with this strategy. Now, the entire process is very easy and free-flowing, but there are some parts that are specific, which is why you need to pay attention and make sure that you watch the entire video from beginning to end, so that you don't get confused about today's method. And make certain that you don't skip any steps so that you don't overlook any important details, because if you look over critical details, you are unlikely to achieve the desired results. Before we get started with today's video, if this is your first visit to this channel, welcome! We upload videos on how to make money online to this channel. As a result, you can try them out for yourself and begin earning your own money.
Well, time will tell.
Let's get right into the video without further ado. So first and foremost, you will require a Facebook account in order to begin this process properly. We're sure that most, if not all of you, already have a Facebook account. However, if you do not yet have a Facebook account, you can simply go to facebook.com and immediately see this, where you can log in if you already have an account. But if you don't, simply click on Create a New Account and you'll be brought to this page. First and last name, phone number or email address, password, birthday, and gender, and once everything is in place and completed, you can click the Sign Up button. And then boom! You only need to confirm your email address. And once you've done that, your brand new Facebook account is now complete, and you now have your own account. This is how the inside of your Facebook account currently appears. And what we want you to do is to go to the upper left corner of your screen and click on Search Facebook. Now, we want you to type in funny memes and press enter. Then, you should look at this. After that, we want you to look to the left side of your screen where you will see some options for what you're looking for in terms of memes. What we want you to do now is click on groups. So basically, we're looking for Facebook groups that only contain funny memes. That's the end of it. And all of these groups you're seeing on our screen right now are what's going to earn us our $400 or $500 or even more. We know we keep asking this, but we get new subscribers every day. Welcome to all of our new subscribers. Please leave a comment below with your location because we'd love to know and we'll use it as a reference for future videos. So let's get this party started. Now comes the fun part. We want you to open a new tab and type in memefactory.io. That should bring you right here. Isn't it adorable? As you can see, it refers to a decentralized registry and marketplace for the creation, exchange, and collection of probably rare digital assets. You will see hundreds of thousands of memes if you scroll down. And who doesn't enjoy a good meme these days? No one at all. Anyway, you'll notice that under each meme is the name of the meme and how much it converts to, which means how much people earn from the memes that they post. For instance, this right here converts to 0.20 ETH. For your information, 0.20 ETH is worth $921 US. Even if you only earn 0.1 ETH, that's still $460 US, which is completely insane. This is essentially how people from all over the world earn this much money. They convert their Ethereum earnings to US dollars and cash out the entire amount. We all know it's insane that people are making so much money with today's method, but that is precisely why we are sharing this method with you, so that you can try it out and earn. And believe it yourself, because we were skeptical at first as well, but as soon as we tried it, we began cashing out and receiving money. The game has shifted. It's true, and you'll be the next person to earn this amount of money. And it's also the best thing that could happen to you. Later on, we'll show you an insane Facebook strategy, so make sure you're there for that. We just wanted to let you know that you will not be required to create any of your own memes. If you're asking yourself that question, the answer is no. You won't have to make any of your own memes, which makes this method even better than it already is. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and click the notification bell beside it to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Now let's move on. So now on the Meme Factory website, look to the left side of your screen. Look for Dank Registry, then click Submit. From there, it will take you to this page where you will upload your memes for submission so you can start earning money. So before you officially submit, make sure you have a title and that it's a good one. Then there are the tags, and we will show you which tags will get you the most money later on. Then leave a comment and make sure your meme is attached before clicking Upload a File. Once you've entered it, you can click the Submit button to begin earning money. Your meme will literally be on the website's homepage, and what this website will do is help you sell your memes, and thousands of people who enjoy a good laugh will come here every day to buy. And the lowest paying meme on the website is actually priced at 0.005 ETH. And even if that's all you earn, that's still $22.84 for just one meme. Did we mention that you can actually submit multiple memes? You certainly can. If you want, you can submit 2, 3, 4, 5, or even 1,000 memes and you'll be earning passively from it every day, which we think makes everything even more interesting. We're going to share some websites with you that have amazing memes that you can get for free. And you can earn money by submitting it to memefactory.io. You don't even need to make a single meme. All you have to do is find the perfect free meme, download it, submit it, and you're done. So memedroid.com is the first website where you can find free memes. And it is from this website that you can download memes directly into your computer for free. To find the best memes to make the most money, go ahead and click on Top Memes, which you can find on the left side of the page, and then click on Top Week, which contains all of the best memes for the week. To download a meme or memes that you want to submit, simply right-click on the meme and select Save Image As. This should be downloaded directly to your computer. Our next website to get free memes is jiffy.com, which is where you can find free memes and even GIFs if you're interested, and download them for free. You simply submit them and earn money from them as well. So you just want to look up funny memes, and that's really all you need to search for on this website to get the best and funniest memes that will also make you the most money. The final secret that will help you make the most money possible is our Facebook strategy. And we should start with our most recent search, which is the Facebook groups that contain all funny memes. And we want you to be part of these groups, and what you could do here is share the link to your memes on Meme Factory, so that people will see that post, click on your link, go to your meme, share it, and you will earn money. Some people will actually buy it, which will earn you twice as much. That is essentially how you can make money with memes and Facebook.com. So if you want to make more money online right away, you should try this method right away. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, kindly like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon to get updates whenever we upload a new video. Also, if you want to watch more new ways to make money online like a boss, make sure you check out our other videos.